Looking polished every day starts with the right grooming routine. Finding the best electric nose and ear trimmer for men can boost confidence, enhance personal style, and help create a clean, well-maintained appearance. Whether for work, special occasions, or daily self-care, the right choice brings comfort and peace of mind while keeping you looking your absolute best. Number 1. Kemei 2805 LCD Dislay IPX7 Waterproof Trimmer. Waterproof design, charger-based design, wet or dry shaving. You can use with shaving cream, high-speed motor, 6500 r/min, 600 mAh lithium-ion battery, LCD display, charging reminder, battery power reminder, washing reminder, travel lock reminder, USB charger model, carbon steel blade, work cord/cordless type, rechargeable, usage time, 120 minutes charging time, 2 hours, voltage, 100 to 240 volts, 50/60 Hz material, ABS. Number 2. Kemei KM 6634 in 1 trimmer for men. Hochqualität rostfriedstalen messen comfortable trim ongenst trimmer headers was en vervangbar. Wir vervangbar koppen vor or verschalento passengen. Clean en god ontwerpenitelijk is handig voor ordrigen. Licht indicative or tunt de laad status. 12 uur lading or 60 minute and dragloos gebruik. Anger driven door, 300 mAh CD battery, item type, nose and ear trimmer material and ABS. Number 3. Kemei all-in-one rechargeable nose trimmer. 4-in-1 5-in-1 trimmer set, contains 3 cutter heads. They can be removable and washable, easy to clean, more hygienic. Stainless steel sharp cutter heads, safe and fast cutting without hurt the skin, and no hair gets stuck. Nose, ear trimmer, it can be used for removing unwanted nose, ear hair. Sideburns trimmer, it can be used for trimming mustache and sideburns. Eyebrow trimmer, it can be used for trimming eyebrow hair and creating a beautiful eyebrow shape. USB charging design, it can be charged through the computer, car charger, portable power and any powered USB port. Built-in rechargeable battery, after 8 hours full charge, it can be used continuously for 60 minutes. Suitable for both men and women. Number 4. Kemei 1876 electric hair trimmer. Kemei 1876 electric hair clippers, barber hair dressing, rechargeable professional cordless kit hair cutting machine. Hair trimmer brings a refined grooming experience for individuals who value a neat appearance and personal confidence. A fresh haircut often creates a positive impression, helping people feel prepared for meetings, gatherings, celebrations, and everyday activities. This grooming solution supports a polished look while reducing the need for frequent salon visits, making personal care more convenient and rewarding. Many buyers search for reliable hair clippers that deliver consistent results and help maintain a stylish image at home. Choosing a trusted grooming companion can save valuable time while encouraging a well-kept lifestyle. The sleek design adds a professional touch to any grooming routine and makes self-care feel more satisfying. A clean hairstyle often reflects discipline, attention to detail, and self-respect. Whether refreshing a classic cut or maintaining a favorite look, this cordless hair trimmer can become an essential part of regular grooming habits. It offers a practical way to stay presentable, boost self-esteem, and enjoy a sharper appearance whenever needed. Number 5. VGR new electric hair clipper trimmer. This is the genuine VGR brand hair trimmer set. It features powerful performance, outstanding appearance, safe and reliable design, comfortable user experience, and excellent cost performance. It enjoys high popularity and a good reputation worldwide. This is the VGR 273. The sturdy and sharp blade design enables you to trim your hair safely and quickly. The LCD intelligent battery level display enables you to keep track of the product's battery usage at any time. The dual purpose design for charging and plugging ensures a long battery life, fast charging, and convenient charging, eliminating concerns about power consumption. Powerful performance, combined with the latest noise reduction design, offers you the best user experience. The knife head water washing technology can better maintain the machine after each use. Fully equipped with a knife head guide comb, it can meet all your hair trimming and hairstyle design needs. The product features a genuine body made of professional materials, with an outstanding appearance and solid, reliable quality. Professional products are equipped with high-end and elegant color box designs, making them very face-saving whether for home use or as gifts.